Hello everybody, welcome to another opening video. Today we're going to be here opening a Zuru Monster Trucks color changing 5 surprise pack. So it says 7 to collect, and it's got this cool little guideline to unzip. Okay, it's a tough one. There we go. It also says that this capsule is made with certified recycled plastic. That's what I like to hear. Holy moly. Hope you guys are getting entertainment out of this one. Now, normally I just pull out the blade, so that's what I get for not doing it from the get-go. This is like when you get tricked on Christmas, and it's like wrapped in a box, 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 in a box. Alright. So we've got... Oh, there you go. So we can get Stealth Striker, Dino Fire, Stingrays, Mega Glow, and High Beam. Jaws and Blazer. Oh, here you go. There's actually instructions here too. Pretty cool. So you got instructions how to build the things. Oh wait, so is that give it away? Oh no, they're different like colors. Alright. Let me just open this and stop asking dumb questions. Alright, we got tires. Maybe I didn't think this through. They got pieces. And some more pieces. This is this the Dino Fire? I don't know, man. This is interesting. How about that? I think it's the Dino Fire. That's what I think. Nah, I don't know, guys. But there you have it. You have to assemble these things. So let's see. Alright, we got this, we got the wheels. If you enjoy this video, leave me a comment down below. Alright. Then this clips on top. Alright. We got, I'm gonna guess that's the front, or is this the front? I'm gonna guess that's the front, that's the back. Got a little pew pew. A little pew pew bullet. Oh, look at that. Still couldn't tell you which truck it is, but it is cool. Sorry I didn't put my phone on silent previously for making the video. And now I'm getting like, there you go, guys. Alright, well, there you have it. Sorry the video was a little long. I did not expect it to be so many pieces. As far as the color change works, I don't know. I do not know. So, to be continued, I guess. If you know how the color changes, leave it in the comments. I'm gonna guess it probably, I'm guessing like heat, because like warm water or something, because rubbing it is taking the red and turning it orange. So yeah, probably warm water to cold water. So yeah, there you have it. So if you liked the video, Check out TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Like, favorite, subscribe, and follow. I have other videos on all those platforms as well. If you like these mystery bags or cards or anything else that I put up on these videos, you can check out my eBay. If I don't keep it, then I sell them on there, and that money goes back into these videos. So I open them so you don't have to. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.